I will never look at lemons the same way after learning this. Let's dive into the magic of lemon and honey. Did you know that lemon and honey can be your new best friends when fighting a cough? This dynamic duo has been used for centuries to soothe throats and silence those pesky coughs. Here's the scoop. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which boosts your immune system. And honey? It's a natural cough suppressant and antibacterial wonder. Simply mix the juice of one lemon with a tablespoon of honey in warm water. Sip it slowly and feel the relief. It's like a cozy hug for your throat. Plus, it tastes way better than those weird-tasting syrups. Remember, it's natural, it's easy, and it's right in your kitchen. Say goodbye to coughs and hello to comfort with lemon and honey. Cheers to natural remedies.